It's Mandalo.
Early morning level without a cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Coin wise salmon and salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding in, we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions per air when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coin wise with KIMBA'S dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. Coin wise family and family we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding in, we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. This all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We settle.
Happy Thursday! Happy Thursday. Let's go. The math is the math. Who juicing? Focacino looking to buy the dip. BTFD. Let's go. Last day of the trading week for U.S. markets. Big expiries today. Accelerates in from 63. Can't lose. Wait, what? Okay. Let's hope we get back above it. It's not looking so great right now, but it's bouncing and we got a cleaner. So that's good. Good afternoon, Accelerate. Yeah, Risky Bisky. Let's go Home Depot, Houseplant. How we doing? Curvies, MJ, Accelerate. Congrats on the sub. Shout out to Housty, making it rain on them. Let's go. I'm doing great. Thanks Home Depot. You know, they need to give, how about a Home Depot sponsorship? That would be dope. Shout outs to our official stream sponsor, CoinWise. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah. Whoa. Where'd that go? I got something like hanging out here down at the bottom. Oh, it just looked like this little black square right here. You see that? It looked like I had something on my overlay. It looked like it was just missing, but it's just it's an illusion. It's got to be testnet. MEXC83, let's go. How we doing? T Pedro, it's usually beta or sigma TA actually. Let's go, but stick around. I'll try my best. How you doing? What you looking at? Good day, Aldista. Calling noob. MEXC83, shoutouts calling noob. Hype train, let's go. Get yourself a goose. Gaboo. EK. MJ, shoutouts to PSG. Exclamation Discord, best Discord community that exists. Not just in crypto, but in the world. Right now, BitBase, Home Depot. I love MEXC. I can't really trade it because of being in the States, but yeah, that's for futures. For futures, BLOFIN and many of the others that we have in our list. KCEX is Gucci. I'm trying to like pull them off of the top of my head because I got things running on many of them. Still on WEEX, still on BTCC. And BTCC, KCEX, deposit bonuses, just like BitBase, the new thing. Looking forward to that, seeing it grow. And then, of course, the new that's going to be coming out pretty soon. The KIMBA'S new exchange, that DEX. If you're into DEXs, HYPERLIQUID for now, exclamation HYPERLIQUID. Exclamation HYPERLIQUID. Shoutouts to Baby Mandalo, Mrs. Mandalo, and V2. They are watching, but they are not running in the office right just yet, I don't think. I love to spend time with them, but man, we're trying to lock in for the rest of this RTA session. Yeah, Baby Mandalo. Aim for the head. How we doing? Denial. We got King Kong's in the oh, Godzilla, my bad. I'm not trying to get struck by YouTube. Let's go ResQQ. Yeah, we'll like ease in. MEXC83, how you doing? Biff, how you doing? Oh my goodness, it's been a whirlwind this week. It's been exciting though, hasn't it? Focacino, Salash. Good morning. Just woke up. What part of the world are you in? It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon for me. Destax. Curvies, let's go. Rana. Good afternoon. You ready to end off the week strong? Well, it's not over yet. And I'm not talking about the price. The week is still going strong. There'll be futures running tomorrow. Kimba live trading tomorrow. Who Juicing and Talent Show all coming up. Exclamation Talent Show. Exclamation dashboard for the entire stream schedule. It's juice every day. Let's go. Giveaways got pushed to next week. If you are updated in the Discord, you know what it is. If you aren't, exclamation Discord and go check out Kimba's Den to kind of get a idea about what the plan is with the giveaways and some of the other price action plans that have been long going over the past few weeks and even into the near-term future. Rana, afternoon. Dude, I know, Jose. Shit. That's a Cachoya. It's 8 p.m. You work nights, I see. I see you, Salash. Night shifts, okay. Home Depot, what are you looking at? You should try one of the ones that we have and maybe BitBase. I think they have demo trading on there. I need to like open it up. I was actually doing testing some different strategies on BLOFIN on their demos. I think it was BLOFIN. It was pretty cool. Yeah, shoutouts Focacino. Shoutouts to Jing Gao. How you doing, Jing Gao? Happy Thursday. El Pasoto. Let's go. Shoutouts to PSG. I know PSG is holding it down. Who's vibing out in PSG right now? Applejacks, Bole, Crypto Craze, Doobie, Fredward, Il Pasoto, Ingenious, maybe. Who is S? It's on streamer mode, god damn it. Token Tickler. It's Token Tickler that made that epic new song, right? Shoutouts to the talent show. And Visual, let's go. Who is S? Let's go PSG. I don't have sound source in. What's up, PSG? How we doing? Shoutouts Maestro. PSG up in the chat. That's right. Accelerates up in PSG. Let's go. I got my sound so low I can barely hear you guys, but much love, y'all. I'll be back. Big cheers. What they got going on in there? They're looking at some SXWs, looking at some beautiful scenery. Maestro is in the bushes, crouched and ready to take some positions. Maybe we break structure here and it'll be right in front of us. Bad highs on the ES. You know, they brought it back down pretty deep on S&P, especially after the meeting. You know, we rolled it forward to the next contract, so we adjusted the chart. That's why the prices are different. It's not so big of a difference now that that everything is caught up in trading view, but the first couple days of the week it made a big difference. And then on S&P, gigantic gap up. Gex flip, I'm gonna have to change that. Let's go into the Bugammas in a minute. So I'll just hide that for the moment. And yeah, big gap up, and we just retraced the move right back to where we started. Possibly we'll get a clean of the highs. Who knows? Maybe you get more than that. But you can't expect too much with that contract rollover. The volume kind of declines, especially having that coincide with FOMC. We have a lot of risk off happening. Meister did a long thong. Shout out to the Kimba merch and the thong banana hammocks that are coming soon. Exclamation merch. Let's go. Inky is a market maker. You know what it is. Inky juiced up on some altcoins a few weeks ago. I know that. Single prints. He had a couple of single prints. This song just makes me think of that video. I really would like to see that video again. The Lions Anthem. What is this song called? Through the Fire. Juice. Yeah, I got stacked single prints. That's consecutive single prints. And that is more indicative of a trending move, obviously. Sometimes within the same session, we'll get those just to retrace and restore balance. But if we close with these, it lends more maybe conviction that the move isn't finished, that it's genuine, that it's finished, that the retrace, that it may be genuine. So we'll have to give it until probably next week, honestly, because, you know, U.S. markets and all. It's a holiday tomorrow. Short aim. Short. I haven't taken any new longs yet. You looking for longs, aim? I'm following the plan. It's been just like lower time frame scalps for the most part. And if you look back to last week in the den, Kimba's thoughts really align with that kind of approach. That we may just get some bing bong ding dong. But I've maintained this stance for quite some time, really since we lost since we rejected from 98. So even if it ended up positions lasting for longer than a day or two, they weren't like, you know, huge conviction that was the bottom or something. Business trip signals for 2.5. Are you handling business, Inky? Let's go, Inky. It was an easy short. Yeah, that volatility is scary though. That volatility is scary, especially when you get like something like this where you get a big dump and it just completely brings it right back to where we started. You know, you get a Darth Maul candle, which it didn't actually give us that time, but pretty frequently you'll see something like that. Was a 4 hour? No, the 4 hour looked like shit. That was it, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah, and the daily close, we closed below. We closed below the level that we were trying to hold. Yeah, but it broke structure, gave us the retest. It went a little higher than we had anticipated, but it didn't even make it to value area high, which was right up around these highs up here before rejecting. It was a little cleaner in CME. I don't think the exchanges are making the spike candles. I think big traders are. Big traders. Some of it, unless it's on Coinbase, and it still is usually like big traders are doing this. The exchanges don't care. They are making money regardless. They're making money regardless. But you'll have people piling in, and it kind of is a snowball effect when we begin to generate some momentum, and that can lead to cascades and these spikes. And like one big trader can make a difference with reversals and whatnot, but I don't see it being like a market maker or something. Yeah, grab that in failed auction, but it respected TVAL or TVA right at weekly VWAP too. Pretty clean. Levels to the downside. It did sweep this candle. Trade a little deeper in the gap. There is some more gap to go. We're coming back to the top of that prior gap. That's what I was talking about, the clean right here. And then just ever so slightly, we got a sweep for ants right here. Single print will be some resistance. but it's possible that, you know, we just eat right through it. VWAP's at towards the top of that. It's kind of funny, the decorrelation for the session right now with S&P and ES kind of pumping a little bit, and then as soon as we start to get a pullback, Bitty starts breaking structure. Juice.
Back in the day, we was grinding for the juice. Now the whole gang on no excuses, just truth. OGs bring the hype, bring the squad, bring the juice.
Yeah, I'll come right back to here, but I want to see SpaceX. I mean, the math is the math. The math is the math. Did we not identify this level yesterday? We said around 173 when we were like way up here. So, I mean, the moves are crazy, aren't they? These are some big swings. That's altcoin moves. Let's go El Pasoto. Juicing. Unfilled rotation on CoinWise. Shout out to CoinWise. Let's see this unfilled rotation. Did it complete it? Oh, that wasn't it. Dashboard. CoinWise.com/dashboard. Because it disappears once it's is filled. Previous week value area low, almost to the pixel. That's juicy. How could we mark that on our chart? Yeah, we identified that level pretty nicely. That's juice. And then how much does that bounce off of the lows? Let's say you got in at 173. Not too bad. Can't lose. We juice, say less. Let's check out the liquidations. So you see that below us from last night, went and got some of that thing. What do you know? News candles. Oof. News candles. What do you think about those news candles now? From Sunday night. Yeah, and you still got some of that around the 60K zone. For value, the value rotation for the lows. We'll go from here. Interesting. So you saw that mid 60s on the dashboard, mid 60,000 around here. There's a lot of liquidity. Now that we have rejected and accepted back within value for this range, and I don't need this right here, even though I've had it there forever. But this value area high right there, this line, lines up with structure right along here. So that's pretty well back inside the range. We lost the point of control. Maybe we get a retest around the point of control or a structure down here if it continues to bounce and grabs a single print. Maybe if it gets this first one, I would still think that the second single print could be a major barrier. It's not anything structural. It is a market profile feature, but it's just, you'll see it so frequently. I've been just like immersed in TPO for many years now. You can just get a sense for it. But the value rotation, accepting inside value, if it continues lower, these lows, all of these weak lows down here, they line up with the completed rotation of value area low for the range. So something to keep in mind. 62 is a big number though. I don't need that anymore. And what did this do to all of our positions? It stopped a lot of longs out. Over here. CVD, still selling into it. Coinbase, regardless of what CVD looks like, it still is getting sold into. You can see that in the premium. If you know where to look, I'll show it to you. And yeah, you see the volume. This is spot volume. Monaco, let's get it. Jaskier. This is likely a pause zone. This is a high significance level. And if we look at the entire range, you know, it's kind of like rejected from. It's easier to do it like this. Hold on, I'm going to copy. Maybe I can do it on this one. Just so we're only looking at on the daily. We were still seeing single prints and everything. That's cool. Disregard the single prints for the whole range from the buyback. Oh my gosh. Trading View, get your shit together. Yeah, I killed VRVP somehow. Alright, that's a catch-hoy. Fuck this. I'm trying to do it the easy way, and it's way harder. Get rid of this PvP stuff. We were looking at those candles, and that was really juice yesterday, actually. But, oh, we got back inside value. That's juicy. Point of control still. Yikes. Reject from it. What usually happens on these moves? It is still holding this structure, though. So, fingers crossed for the longers. And I would look at it more like the trend line instead of a channel because of the push outside. You only have a couple touches.
Nah, this ain't your basic prep and hope type thing. It's a mapped out plan. I'ma ride this swing. Chart on the screen, got that fib line tight. Zoom
I made it too
zoom
big.
in. Yeah, that setup's right. Good R to R, wrist tight, let it run. Trend real clean, we just follow the sun. Hyenas yapping, but they missing the point. Kimba gang vibe, patience, fully grown. Some love it, some hate it. That's facts though. But we ride candles, not ego.
I gotta turn this stupid fucking magnetize off. Oh, come on now, come on. Come on, synonym. Synonym, the probability once we trade within a single print increases tremendously of filling the entire thing. But it could. It's just a game of probabilities there. It could, if it makes it there. Yeah, let's go back to the other one. And it hasn't confirmed as a single print anyways. We still have the session ongoing. It's just a developing single print at this point. But they tend to serve some sort of resistance. What forms it is an imbalance between buyers and sellers. In this instance, it's sellers. And at losing value area, that adds more weight to the significance of the level. London market with Maestro this morning on Discord was juice. Nice. Maestro had been trading, getting prepared for that this through the night, I guess. Because you're up, aren't you, dude? London is brutal for us in the US. It's a juicy session, though. Yeah, this zone has significance. So coming down here, getting that sweep, trying to get back within value, I guess. But rejecting from that point of control, pretty interesting. Yeah, need to get higher. You need to get higher. Let that 63.7 zone that was kind of support temporarily, that needs to get reclaimed. It's just kind of doing more of this, where we broke structure and came back and retested. I would be cautious about a similar type of bearish retest again. But if you're already in a position and you get up there, that's not a bad problem to have. You already juiced up. Not every day, and because I work IRL also, so a couple of days a week I'm AFK. Yeah, so I'm not scalping then. I'll like, if it's somewhere in a zone that I'm interested in, I might like reduce the leverage or do some spot plays or something, but I'm not like freaking out. I've done that and it's like so stressful not being able to analyze the way that I'd like to, and try and just like fucking trade from my phone or something. Just like, oh, it's here. I'd rather just miss it. Because like your wins are, I don't know. The consistency like way drops off. And so like it's for my own sanity, dude. I did it for many years though, and it's, I mean, it can be okay, but just like freaking out on like alerts at any point, anywhere that I am, you're just not going to be good at anything. And I love trading. Being a full-time trader, it has its, I guess, sheen to it. It looks like it's the greatest thing. It's a job like anything else. So if you're just counting on that and like scalping, you see these guys that are like, oh, I trade for an hour a day and I quit my job. It's pretty rare. But then you're going to take shitty trades and you're going to be shitty at your regular job. Not that I mean, anything that I do, doesn't matter if I love it, if I see myself doing it forever or not. I'm always going to, you know, be a lion. I'm always going to put everything into it. Or mostly everything. You know what it is. All right, Salash. Shout outs to you, brother. Yeah, just don't take risks to get to that goal. You know, once you develop a process, it's a nice problem to have. A lot of like the big traders and stuff, they're not necessarily taking scalps all day. They're fucking scooping it up. You know, they're like, oh, we came right back into value area. Here's the point of control. They're just freaking getting filled on each one of these pumps. It's filling their shorts. Or they're taking profit on these, and then, they still are getting filled. Because it's hedges. They're getting filled at the lows, filled at the highs, and all of us marketing in and shit are just like filling their positions. One of us taking a position, Coke Zero taking a 60 Bitcoin long isn't going to fully fill them. They're doing like thousands of Bitcoin positions. And shout out to Coke Zero though. Much love, brother. I hope you juiced up on that one. I'm sure you hedged it. Shout out to Coke Zero. Shout outs to Calling Noob. Shout outs to CoinWise. Yeah, Coke Zero. Dude, he's one of the OGs, man. Goated. Huge supporter. El Pasoto. Shout out to El Pasoto. He juicing. Thank the man, brother. Yeah. See, that's what this place is all about. Shout out to El Pasoto. Haven't shouted you out in a while, brother. Shout outs to the whole team too. If I juice, we juice. There it is. Dude, it's about the Lions. It's about it's not just like what you can buy, these Bugattis that you can get and dumb like flexes or whatever. A Bugatti can only fit 2 girls on the side seat. I hope you know that. You're much better off in a Brabus 6x6. Illegally, I mean, shit. DECENTRALIZED is looking at 61.3. Horde. Yeah, those Brabus are dope. If that's what you're about. Alright, AIM. Alright, AIM. How about like the 80s style, like the Lambo Limbo that has a fucking hot tub in the back? Have any of you guys ever seen that TV show Black Monday? And the dude had a fucking Lambo limo. He called it the Limbo. Yeah. It's not just about cars and flexes, man. It's about your time and how you can spend it. When the rate hike song, shit. Ask Housty, dude. Maybe you can make one for the talent show, exclamation count talent show. 4 comfortably in a Corolla. And, you know, if you don't have a great personality, those 4 females or males, if you're into dudes, whatever it is, those 4 others, they may be top tier or they may not be. If you have no personality, you're not a good person, then they probably aren't top tier material. Hey, baby. Hey, honey. Oh, yeah. Baby V2 is sleeping. She can't be getting all excited. Panda 750. Let's go. I don't even know what that is. Accelerate. Manaka. You want to do the first 5-minute power hour candle? Let's do a prediction. We got 15 minutes. The 750. Yeah, it doesn't matter what you drive. I know some people that are rich as shit and they are miserable. Private jets, fucking any kind of car you want. Property everywhere, don't have to want for anything. I know some of the brokest people in the world happy. But we're gonna juice up. It just unlocks opportunities. Across a mountain and through a river? A Fiat? We don't drive, we teleport, that's right. They're doing terrible? I mean, that's not a surprise. Let's see. How's Eth doing? Oh my goodness. Eth was holding pretty strongly though. So it could bounce here. It came and got the imbalance, got some of it. And we have an order block here. Let's go in 4 hour. I'm not even turning on order blocks right now. They're bouncing from this. And this is point of control. You see this, right? It's like pixel. But Let's see where the order blocks line up. Do I even have it on here? Yeah. Well, it's a new order block now. Maybe in the hourly. It's pretty damn close. I think it's the setting that I have it on. The calculation mode. Pretty damn close. I think the boarding control makes more of a difference than the order block. But regardless, wow. If Biddy pulls back a little bit more, I think this is coming. And probably this 1500. I don't know. If we go in the 50s, I think that ETH is going to go for those 1370 lows. Good song. 1383 on Coinbase. It's 1370s on Binance, I think. It's pretty damn close right there. This one that they held. And I've talked about that forever. April of 2025. Doesn't mean that it's going to do that, but if Biddy goes into the 50s, I think that's coming. We'll nerd out more on that if when. One thing at a time. It is bouncing at this level currently. You got a little resistance. If it makes it all the way up, that 13 or 1720 area was a higher time frame zone that we watched. How about that? Held that second one, which was a sweep level, and that was the main big sweep level and high time frame level, the 1720. But bounce, 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 bounce. Lose it. Look at the retest. Yeah, synonym. Getting closer to 600. I guess I could show that. Yeah, so it was holding pretty, like it had that bounce. It juiced pretty hard off of the Sunday pump. Well, I guess Monday, technically. 45% recovery on this trend. All right, functional. In 24 hours? 45% of what? Of today's price action? Let's see the 45% recovery on today's price action. So we'll get to maybe the middle of that single print. Oh wait, no, there it is right here. To value area low. I'll flip it so the numbers match for you. Wait, oh yeah, today. 45% brings us up to the margin of that single print. Okay, I see you. I see you. I don't think that's what you meant. I don't know if you're serious about like 45%, like all the way to fucking 10,000. Or how did Apple look like a good short? Yeah, we'll take a look. Honestly, I don't think that any TRADFI today, I'm not super interested in it. You got a nice little 1% scalp short. Shout out to Mr. Riyadh. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Rejected the open. VWAP.
Touch entry so special. Candle turn green, stack it like Tetris. Pip by pip, run up investments. Settle loss, that's a quick dip.
Not really. I don't think it looks like a good short, especially with S&P kind of like grinding upwards. Yesterday it was okay with that rejection. Gap fill and rejection from monthly VWAP. Here, I don't think so. It bounced from previous day point of control and previous month VWAP. Maybe if it rejects from VWAP here, but I think it's not a short unless it like loses value area and then comes back and retests. Then I'm thinking about these lows right here. Yeah, but I don't think so. TRADFI, it's either I'm already short or I'm still holding my longs and waiting. But do you, brother? Do you, brother? I'm just some dude, but that's what I see with it. Yeah, good luck to you. Holy shit, gold. I was in altcoins and then I freaking forgot where I put them. It's been a day already. You feel me? I'm tired, boss. It's just been a crazy week, juicy week, but crazy. Hasn't it? Solana, right back to that level. We were like, yeah, watch out for that retest down there. If it bounces, maybe. Maybe, but I'm still looking for a rejection or a retest up here. If it holds and goes, or if it does one last little FU. It's not really setting up a 3-day weekend with all that much to be excited about. Hype, I mean, could be worse. Came back to that zone for our retest. I would have liked to see a clean if it was going to really bounce. But I guess it's good enough to see if we can get above the point of control for this price action. And it held value area low pretty well. S&P, yeah, a little bit. Who juicing, Token Tickler? I want to hear your song again, dude. The song is amazing. Who's getting Jesse Papinked? Let's go functional. Yeah, please. No, I want. You just need a whale. Yeah, we do. We need a couple whales. I mean, we saw what frickin' Sailor did a couple weeks ago, right? He like T-WAP 1500 all weekend, and then we got a little bit of a move. And it's right back where it started. and turned that into bad highs now on HYPERLIQUID. So if you can get back inside the range up here, it did break structure. So get back in this range. Probably get those highs. Get back above 70 is important. BitBase. Exclamation BitBase. Huge. Juice, juice, juice. 20% drop. I know, man. I know, Manaka. It was the future of finance. I don't know what they were thinking. 20% drop max. Yeah. 20 to 25 is Kimba's thoughts. I don't know about it going all the way to like 15 or anything. I'm ready for anything though. I'm not saying 15. I'm saying like 42. Possibly. 43, 42. And then if things get really crazy, maybe like 28 to 31. But I'm ready for anything. I'm not like just waiting for that to happen and getting old waiting for it. 64 is key support resistance. Where are we right now? And really for like the range that we had just currently established, it was a little bit higher. So this in higher time frame looks more like a bearish retest that got rejected. Yeah, that's what I was showing on that other chart. But I mean, everybody's entitled to their own opinion. I'm not trying to argue with you. I'm just reporting how I'm interpreting the market. Which chart was I on that I showed that on? Oh, it was in this one maybe. Was it that one? Yeah. Where's that from? I'm in the 4 hour, yeah. For the whole range, like forget about this channel. So try to get back inside value, which is a little skewed, but I mean, it's a big node right here and just had 2 tries to get through the point of control and get rejected. That's even before FOMC. On top of this, you had a whole lot of additional confluence, but this is just pretty demonstrative of the whole narrative, what unfolded. Yeah, they need to get above the 63 area. Jaskier, I see you. You like that 1.25 song? It's pretty lit. Shout out to CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise. This one? There we go. Let me put you on game. RAI. MACD. Wait, are you saying OBV or obviously? On balance volume or obviously? I know a lot of people look at OBV. I think it's cool. Yeah. Yeah, shout outs to you. Let me put you on. Thanks for joining today. Yeah, if you have anything that you like, if you're just typing random, that's cool. If you're just having fun, vibe out, brother. But if you want to like ask any questions or anything, I'm happy to, you know, go through whatever. We're just chilling, nerding out. September 15th, 2025. We've done some fractals of this price action. See, the difference is that was at the highs. When was FOMC that? How do I get the frickin' things back on the chart? When was FOMC in September? I think it was earlier. It was like here, the 18th or something. It looks like that to you? It could be. It could be, and holding that low. The difference was though that, I mean, you do kind of have like lower high, lower low. Maybe trying to get in a higher low and just run for it. And it could be something like that too. But we kind of repeated this right here. And then that is like kind of, you can draw a comparison with this. And that's a little concerning. We've done some pretty interesting fractals a few places though. All right, we're in power hour and we're going for that candle. That first 5 minute. We did something like that before. This thing doesn't want to fit. Fucking weekly. It won't look right in the weekly. See, like that duration took a little longer and this one took a little bit shorter. But you can almost line up the wicks on both of these dumps. It's just a little exercise and kind of fun to do that. Yeah, maybe that plays out. See, but it like kind of played out more like that. Look at that. I'm not coming up with that 31 from that either. I'm coming up with the 31 from this. Oh, wait. From this inefficiency. Jesus Christ. Right through here. We're not trying to predict the future. I'm not saying it's going there. I'm just chatting about fractals and whatnot. Quit playing with me. Fear index is 19. What is it in TRADFI? AI clearly is the future. Yeah, let's get that. Let's see our boot gammas. Actually, let's see what frickin' S&P is doing right now, because it's power hour now. We just got our 5-minute close. It was red. Who juiced up on the prediction? Oh, come on, y'all. Let's go, Joker, juiced up. Nobody wanted to do it. Absolutely, let me put you on. Anything that you're not sure about, just ask. Oh, you can't see chat? That's okay. I can see your chat. If you want to type anything, feel free to. Oh, I'll give you a treat for your TV. Where's our next rotation? So CoinWise levels. Let's hope that this thing works. There we go. Shout out to CoinWise! Exclamation CoinWise! Had some big giveaways yesterday. Anything! Let's go, Happy. How are you doing, brother? What is that in dog math? Dude, you tell me, you're the dog breeder. See, man math says I can have some more dogs. Doesn't it? Our nearest unfilled rotation value area low 62. Yeah, we filled it. Juice. Weekly 62 153 filled it. Monthly, we'll see. Value area high 63. Need to get back above that. Value area low 52 610. Oh, snap diddly. CoinWise, though, it has these daily levels. It has the trading journal education indicators that you're seeing on the screen. The only indicator that they do not contribute towards what is displayed on the screen is the colorful candles. And that's for relative volume, which they do have an indicator for. And it's probably best to just like open this layout to show you those colorful candles. But we have relative volume and buy and sell volume is ghosted behind it. But it's correlated with a similar idea to what this CoinWise buy and sell volume displays. And then divergences. I know that the avatars are kind of showing it, but this is CBD. Let's get an RTH. This is pretty much the layout from the away stream. I toyed with it a little bit. Try to get some of that gap. Previous week EQ for real. Nice.
Eyes on the floor, but my mind stays still. I will buy the energy, that's discipline, skill. I don't force no move, let the setup reveal. When the moment arrive, you already feel.
Fellas, good afternoon. You shorted from 63,802. Okay. You juicing. Stop loss and profit, brother. It might test your conviction. Roscoe, let's go. Yes, but they have all of those tools. I'm probably forgetting one of them. I apologize, CoinWise. Shouts to CoinWise, our stream sponsor. But they also have the dashboard. Coinwise.com/dashboard, and that is free for everyone. They have some education in there. They have a YouTube with free education on it. And then they have a whole lot of additional juice like heat maps, and they're continuing to build it. You guys liking the new CoinWise dashboard? I think it's super nice. Are you not sure what an unfilled rotation is? Well, let's learn more. Oh, I clicked on fucking single print. Gotcha! Crypto Jammies, let's go. Yeah, I got a little video to go along with the text. Pretty cool. So, even if you don't understand all of it from this, it gives you ideas about what to nerd out on. And I know that the Discord, and the CoinWise Discord, make sure you're in there. And the PSG on KTV, exclamation Discord, they're always learning about things like this. But PSG, they're fucking better traders than me. Just a great group. Love our community. Let's go. And we got the CME order flow now. And more to come. Whole lot of stuff closing. It was like 7.15 yesterday for our open interest. It's not really going to give you, it'll give you price. Oh, it does. Gives us a little bit of this open interest. That's cool. It wasn't working the other day. This is nice. I think they touched it up. That's awesome. But some of this other stuff, I don't think that it's going to work in like any other time frame. It's just going to be daily. Yeah, so we got a whole lot of nerding out to do, don't we? You're doing the nerd out? That's awesome, fellas. Shout outs to everybody that's working to improve. How about this? And we got weekly options tonight. Monthly and quarterlies next week on Deribit. That'll be a big one. Look at how big that peak grew. It was 60K for the longest time, and you got some huge things at 62. They may bounce around this area a little bit longer until tomorrow at least. Hey Blade, let's go. Welcome, brother. How you doing? Shout out to Hayblade. Kakarots. Let's go. Let's go, Bergie. Exclamation BitBase. Let's go. Next week, the BitBase giveaways begin. Juice, 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 and CoinWise users. So you have a CoinWise account. Juice up even harder. I've heard it many times now. I'm just passing the word along. Ooh. That's pretty cool. I don't remember this. Snap diddly. I wonder if that's if that gives us any alpha. I think so. Oh my goodness, this is cool. Look at this slider bars. That's super cool. You see this? Juice. Just look at those peaks, especially around expiry days, as and you know, every day is an expiry day. And S&P is like 20% of the market is retail, 0-day trading. But as having an attractive force on it, to some degree. And so when you have like the big peaks, it could just be a simple hedge from one large trader, but when you have a lot in a simple area, so like let's go to Big Gammas. And shout out to the GEX cheat sheet for the Liquidity Alliance holders, exclamation NFT. If you just got an NFT also, and I know somebody that's selling some, has some super sick ones. I know a guy. But if you just got it and you haven't unlocked your access to the cheat sheet, make sure that you are making the most of it. You get access to the Wise Lions in Discord, and you get access to that cheat sheet through the through the Kimba dashboard. I'm so used to saying CoinWise dashboard and Kimba dashboard, like shit. It is all about the D. So you might have like one big peak, and it's not letting me like interact the way that I had this thing shared. But you have like one big peak up in the top left where you see like the red and the blue. You know, it's like a volume profile kind of. So that's a strong force, and you have a whole lot more to the left of that in the blue. So call volume and put volume. A whole lot of put volume up there, isn't it? The calls are like longs, puts are like shorts. But you look for the clusters, so that's what I'm saying. Like you have a lot of clustered, and this is volume. So that can have a strong attracting force. And then if you look in the middle bottom, you see a gigantic blue dildo projecting to the left towards the black, right around where Gex Flip is. Yeah, Gex Flip is still in the same place. I changed it and then it still is there. At 74.70. This is also for S&P, so it's on index, it's not on ES. And then your next level is like 7,400 or 7,410. And then before the rollover, there was a couple of big ones around 7,200 and 7,000. And that's for like, if the market begins trending, it can have more confluence. But this is really well distributed. You have a lot of things have changed because the rollover already happened. The contract switch already occurred earlier in the week. But just for intraday, you want to look like, let's say that something like big popped up down here, or like a little bit of orders, I mean, it's not orders, but volume started coming in down below or something, we might come and bounce. And you're kind of treating it a little bit like a volume profile. So you're like looking for, you know, and it doesn't have like pointed controls or anything, but I think I'm doing a shitty job of explaining it, but it's going to have like a pull on price when you have bigger areas. Desac says, yes, you are doing a shitty job explaining it. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's not really doing it justice, I don't think. I don't fucking know. So we got shorts into the lows. We got a lot of early longs coming in too. Exclamation XO. A lot of longs. And we got some that are underwater. It's like 20 million. Oh, I don't want to go on that one. I want this one. This is USDT by bit. And this is USD, what I was just pulling up. Some big longs on that little pump. Sweet. I mentioned the Coinbase Premium dipping back down again. When it's in the red, it's getting sold into. And this is our heat map. Somebody's trying to catch it. So it's your order book. Heat map is a factor of that. And these aren't imbalances, these are orders. It looks like they didn't get filled. It looks like they pulled them like on that nuke. That was a lot of licks. $781. Just you wait, there's some juicy things coming. Exclamation soldier. Shout out to Kimba. Let's go, Kimba. How we doing, brother? Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. Happy early weekend. Happy Juneteenth, brother. I'm gonna be celebrating. If you celebrating, well, we celebrating then. I got some honorary attire. Shout outs, because I'm not going to see you beforehand. I'll be seeing you afterwards. Shout outs to all the fathers. US Father's Day is on Sunday. Much love. Shout outs to Stacks. Kimba. Kimba, I know a lot of people call you daddy. Uncle Kimba, Shout outs from fellow uncle. Happy Father's Day, Happy. Crypto Jamie said ick. That gave, yeah, Poppy. That's right. That was his nickname, wasn't it, Poppy? Let's go. Gaboo! Jaskier. Papito. Let's go, Bergie. Synonym. Bergie, where are you? Where in the world? Love you, brother. Shoutouts to BitBase. Get ready! Exclamation BitBase. And if you like some of the tools that you see here, well, obviously coinwise.com/dashboard. From the finest high rises of London? That's amazing. Shoutouts Bergie. Hey Blade, have you visited Bergie? Or are you just vibing? Dude, Cyper came and visited England. I think he went and had a IRL meetup with Johnny Kinslow. Did you know that? It was like last year, I think. I mean, shouts to the Lions that are getting to meet IRL. We had somebody that lived in my city for a long time. Now ETH is doing fine. Let's go. Let's go, Jaskier. And reclaiming the 1700. Just watch out for the 1720. 1700 is a big number and all. Don't let me rain on your parade. Juice. I just wouldn't chase it until 1720 gets reclaimed. So if you're not already in something, you probably won't have a whole lot happen before market close, to be honest. You got Wall Street already starting their Juneteenth celebrations. If you know what Juneteenth is, you probably might think that what I'm saying is a little ironic. But who's playing World Cup today? Oh, pullback and yet another decorrelation candle. It's trying to turn that node into support. We're trying to turn this into support. Let's see this. Wait, I don't have PvP on here, do I? Of course I don't. Oh, ooh. Bar. Okay, and boom. Oh my god. That is fugly. Jeez, what in the fuck? I don't need to see value area. We did this yesterday. And I was like, oh, check this out. And that's TPO value area. I'm sorry, TPO point of control also. And your volume for all of this. Ooh-wee. If you just want the point of control, because you're not going to do anything with your volume. Oh my goodness. I just got to do this. Just minimize the The profile, where the fuck did it go? So it's not so obtrusive. Not that I really put too much weight into the TradingView volume tools like this for intra-bar things, but there's not much more we can do with CME without using more powerful tools that I'm not really sure about on like platforms like Addis. Shoutouts to Addis, shoutouts to ExoCharts. And you gotta like, I haven't figured out how to like do the plugin for it. Possibly Crypto Jammies. We just did like a little bit of exercise in that. Canada versus Qatar, that's cool. I sure hope they're playing in Canada. They didn't make Canada host and then they don't get to play at home. Where are they playing? You're already in something? Shoutouts Jaskier. You tried out the BitBase yet? At least get signed up on there so you can take some shots. And maybe juice up on the giveaways. We want to, oh shit! All-time highs. The ETH hasn't even broken structure yet. I mean, this right here, but it didn't. Okay, there you get. Oh. Did it? Oh my goodness, higher high. Okay, so if you weren't like in this little thing from here. Was this level already marked or did I just do that today? I must have just marked that today. I had that bad a memory. It's been a day. Yeah. I'm a fucking idiot. Now I remember. Look at that candle. That's a nice 4 hour. Value area low. We're coming up too. Gold testing 42 or 20? Yeah, 4,200. Okay. 2,200. We're freaking selling everything for that. Let's go AIM. Dude, I gotta go to the balcony really quick. To the balcony! Oof. Kind of an important level. Look at that retest. We didn't analyze it after the meeting. I think we looked at it in the morning yesterday. I mean, you're welcome to, Salash. I just gotta take a whiz. I gotta take a piss. Crass. Silver not looking too great either. Gold, silver. Oh! I want my Letuche song. All right, I'll be right back. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. We're gonna run it out through the rest of Power Hour and then send it off for the day. All right, I'll be right back.
Juice.
tribe got it right. Every move playing, never trading off hype. Protect the fam, generational wealth for life. We stacking up wins, teach the young how to thrive. Math over luck, every day we survive. From risk to reward, we don't panic, we strive. Good health, big wealth, keep the Kimba pride alive. From the 50 charts, make the data align. Level 2, level it's all by design. Never in a rush, patient pays every time. Legacy over flexing, it's a family grind. Bands get bigger, but our circle stays tight. Respect, discipline, we move with insight. Laughing through the losses, learning through the fight. You can't lose juice when your future looking bright. Bag getting big like Dumbo, bag thick like gumbo. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Risk or reward, man, I want the combo. Before I hit the entry, lock in like Rambo. Stop loss and profit risk manage, that's the plan though. My crew screaming, let's go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Juice in like it's Metro. Bears get the meme mugging hot like espresso. Taking the position, ready on the signal. We can make the bag pop, hands on that crypto. Red trend, let the green zone, yeah, the squad go. Bag up, pass it down, that's the Kimba motto. Trim a penny to a million, keep the plan thorough. Profit for the pride, it's a line in the jungle. Good vibes, good eats, we keeping it humble. No greed, just grind and we never stumble. Every lesson learned, keep the future out of trouble. Stacking for the ones who gon' build from the rubble. Big heart, big dreams, that's the Kimba path. Level up math, that'll never finish last. Celebrate together, every win built the last. Raise up the glass, let the blessings stack. Man's getting big like Dumbo, back to like gumbo. Risk or reward, man, I want the combo. Before I hit the entry, lock in like Rambo. Stop loss and profit risk manage, that's the plan though. My crew screaming, let's go. Juice in like it's Metro. Bears get the meme mugging hot like espresso. Taking the position, ready on the signal. We can make the bag pop, hands on that crypto.
Useless Lines record.
Bags getting big like Dumbo, bag thick like gumbo. Risk or reward, man, I want the combo. Before I hit the entry, lock in like Rambo. Stop loss and profit risk manage, that's the plan. No, my crew screaming, let's go. Juicing like it's Metro. Bears get the meme mugging hot like espresso. Taking the position, ready on the signal. We can make the bag pop, hands on that crypto. Come through, homie, let's run these levels for life. Lions in the jungle, Kimba tribe got it right. Every move playing, never trading off hype. Protecting the fam, generational wealth for life. We stacking up wins, teach the young how to thrive. Math over luck, every day we survive. From risk to reward, we don't panic, we strive. Good health, big wealth, keep the Kimba pride alive. Watch me flip these charts, make the data align. Level to level, it's all by design. Never in a rush, patience pays every time. Legacy over flexing, it's a family grind. Bags get bigger, but our circle stays tight. Respect, discipline, we move with insight. Laughing through the losses, learning through the fight. You can't lose juice when your future looking bright. Juice. Bags getting big like Dumbo, bag thick like Dumbo.
Maybe I gotta finish, okay?
Reward, man, I want the combo. Before I hit the entry, lock in like
Oh. Wait till I finish. Let's go, Bergie. Yeah, that was enough time for that, wasn't it? I went out to go and baby Mandalo was like, I gotta go. So I had to help her go potty first. Let's go Crypto Jammies. It up in the YouTube also. Hey, Clown Juice. Every time I see that, I'm just thinking on the new what's his name? Pennywise the clown. What's her freaking that rap? SpaceX juice. Oh my goodness! Just since we got on, that level is nice. Now what is it? I mean, a good gap up. How about that 200 level? And the clean. That still could be on the table, but those highs are bad. You remember we were like, oh, I can't believe they just left it like that. And Tesla coming back for a retest. And nah. Next week will be cool. Yeah, we might get a little bit more moves going on next week. Rounding out the end of the quarter. Hit him with the D. Shout outs to the Bitcoin longers, the ETH longers, the everything else longers. See you better on big screen. I used to put Kimba on the big screen in the office. Let's go, Crypto Jammies. Yeah, I did it on the office TV. Mrs. Mandalo will, because baby Mandalo, shout out to Housty. She loves the intro, and she likes the data lion talking to the lion cubs. Right away, we didn't even say anything. She was like, the lion cubs. Let's go, Crispy. Let's go, Bergie. Unleash. Nort, how you doing? Letuche. Shaloob. How we doing? Shishibui. Burrito hot dog. That's right, Crypto Jammies. Yeah, that's right, aim for the head. It's too quick though, man. Like, she was like barely learning how to. On the left side, all the way on the left, that's called Agar, and it's like the ticker tape for Bitcoin. Oh, this shows the imbalances on the 30-minute time frame. This, like, those imbalances are called single prints. TPO shows that, and it's a CoinWise indicator. It's called, well, I could just click on it and do it like that. TPO PVP. Yeah, exclamation CoinWise. You can try out their indicators and tools for a 2-week trial, but it's a paid indicator. They're a stream sponsor, so you know it's a nice little thing that I'm able to use without really worrying about it, but it's really cool. I've even gotten to have a little bit of say with some ideas. I haven't like just told them, hey, make this, but you know, hey man, how could you do this, or is that possible? There's different levels of it, but the indicators there, it's reasonable, and they do deals every once in a while. They just have one, but you should give it a try. You might even find that it's helpful enough that you can justify paying for it. It's cool though, because they often or many of their tools will combine more than one indicator. So like on the screen, you're seeing, I think, 4 different indicators. There's VWAP. Oh no, there's more than 4, I think. There's VWAP, there is levels, so significant levels. There's settlement right there, which you can mark it with TradingView, but it takes till midnight, I think, for them to auto do it. So VWAP and levels are marked together, and TPO and PVP, significant levels, periodic volume profile. So you have time and volume significant levels, both marked together. And this is the only indicator on TradingView that marks single prints in their entirety anyways. Unless somebody else has like started to do it, but this is the only one that I know of, and they've been doing it since the beginning. Which is really nice. It's a part of market profile, single prints, and being able to visualize it right there. You know, I'm not sitting here like trying to sell you on CoinWise. I'm telling you why I like it. Just for the TPO PVP alone, I think that it's worth the subscription, even in like the premium tier. But they have, I think, 11 indicators, and they're like constantly dropping more. This is initial balance, it shows that. The red on here, it's I should hide that. We don't need it anymore, but that was juice. We were analyzing that a little bit earlier today. But back to the point of combining indicators, if you just have like an unpaid TradingView plan, it's way cheaper than getting a premium TradingView. You get like a CoinWise thing, and it's like, you know, cheap, and you can pile, like you can have multiple indicators on one chart view and not have to do like the whole big TradingView plan. So if you're just like getting started and trying to stretch your funds, it's kind of cool. Shoutouts to CoinWise. Crypto Jammies, I'm just going until market close. Yeah, I got to go back to work again. God dang it. It's been a busy week. I hope in the next week or two things will like ease up a little bit. And fingers crossed, like later in the summer, I'm gonna be like out of the office again for a while. Yeah, Yorkies, exclamation CoinWise, and they also have like some free tools that marks things like this, at least for Bitcoin right now, and they're developing some others. But I'll pull that up on the screen. It's free. So if you were to go to coinwise.com/dashboard, I feel like we've listened to this song already. I do love this song though. So it's not showing the entire single print, it's just showing where it is located, the green on here. I gotta refresh it. So it's showing like the margin of the single print, and it's gonna go all the way to right there. Yeah, before CoinWise, we were freaking manually marking single prints on fucking TradingView charts. Shoutouts if you have done the same. Let's get this color. That's where your single print is. And the granularity of a TPO profile, I'll show you on the trading view. It's different for different things that you will use it for. So it's going to affect the precise margin of where your single prints are. But this is a pretty important thing right here, more so than that single print, in my opinion. This is value area low for volume, and we usually place more emphasis on volume over time levels, and it tends to take precedence when you're doing your analysis. I keep saying that I'm going to do it. I'm ready for this song. Because we're wrapping up. Let's go. But coinwise.com/dashboard. You got liquidation heat maps. Ooh, there's some juicy short liquidity above. We have the liquidation map. So it shows like levels that there's big orders, potential liquidation areas from some of the 3 biggest perps exchanges. It's not all of everything, but they're ones that you would expect. Oh no. No! That's the first time it's ever happened to me. They must be updating it. Help me! Okay, let's get off the dashboard. They have CME open interest also, and we've been analyzing that, but it's free. Coinwise.com/dashboard. Oh, hot dog, Blink John. For sure, Oryx. They do it like 2 or 3 times a year at least, and it's like 70-80% off for some of the plans. It's working for you on the dashboard. Well, shout outs to Curvies. Can you like run the stream for a minute for me, please? Shit. Oh my God. Why is it like that on here? It's my ticks. Oh, it's because they adjusted it. I haven't freaking used this.
Drop the first for Kimba Gang. Our vibe, that's how it was. 2025, we rolling deep. That's
yeah, I want it like 12. They still run it the same way. This is a TPO profile. There's where your single print came from. It's an imbalance in where time was spent. We only spent 1 period. So it's like a time display of market participation and value versus volume. But it shows it for you without having to like learn how to. I'm not trying to say don't learn how to read it, because TPO is a really, really amazing tool. But you can kind of advance your analysis without having to dissect a TPO profile all the time. There's that VWAP. Right into the close. We're gonna juice it. Crypto Jammies, yeah, I'm gonna wrap up here soon. Shout outs to BitBase, exclamation BitBase, big giveaways coming next week. Don't miss, I think it's still on the schedule. I'm gonna confirm. Exclamation dashboard. Kimba Live Trading. Tomorrow morning, 9:30, New York time. Who Juicin' tomorrow afternoon, and LIQUIDITY's Got Talent. Exclamation Talent Show. You have a great chance to win big money and have your... The hell did I do? And have your song turn, or your lyrics turned into a song. It's really cool. Orups, have a great night. Thanks for joining. Yeah, I'll see you. I'll hopefully see you on Monday. Take care, brother. That's a good song. But the talent show, exclamation talent show, get your submissions in. It's juice. Y'all are sleeping on it. It's a lot of fun. Great music. Sometimes you get some laughs. Shout outs to Token Tickler. Consuela. Token Tickler is tickling my dickling. Dude, he's the one that made that song, right? Holy shit, dude, that thing was funny. Shout out to Yorkies. Shout out, let me put you on. Home Depot. Home Depot, thanks for joining this afternoon. You just said. I'll be back for market open on Monday. Big week. This was a great week. It is a market holiday tomorrow. Don't get wrecked over the 3-day holiday weekend. Follow your plan. Don't go too big. If you don't use a stop loss, they're going to slap the shit out you, and you're going to be right there with him on the Who Juicin' stream. Cachoya. Aim for the head. Absolutely. Thanks for joining this afternoon. Hope everybody has a great weekend. You too, Curvies. Thank you. Go Boo! Hannah Montana. Shout outs to PSG. PSG. Stand up. Come on now. Let's go, Fredward. Token Tickler turned Kimba's post into a song. Let's go, Token Tickler. Shout out to Maestro. That's hilarious. Oh shit, that's Hedge Fund? SXW, let's go. Let's go, brother. I'll recognize you anywhere, dude. Let's go, Yogi, Ingenious, Doobie, Bole, Applejacks, maybe Token Tickler, Visual. Shout outs to PSG. I know that's where the real work's gonna be done. Oh, ding, 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 ding. I know that's where the real work's getting done this weekend. All right, we'll see what settlement is. I don't know what just happened with this whole volume thing. It's like tweaking out right now.
With Kimba Gang, we've paved the way. Prepared and steady, we rise above. With math and reason and a little love. We called the moves, we stayed aligned. With every step, the stars.
We'll see what settlement is. It's about to be just futures.
No guessing.
for the next couple days. Not that you're not trading on the weekend AIM, but it has more confluence to take trades when the big boys are trading. Moves, a lot of times they retrace when they happen outside of trading hours. Case in point. This was Friday, we gapped up. Friday of last week, gapped up. And it may have taken a little bit of time, but it's right back where it started last week. Wednesday, Thursday. Right back where it started. That gap happened over the weekend from Sunday night to Monday off of a Trump tweet, off of news. And sometimes news can be just what we need to break out and establish a new trend or reverse a trend. Sometimes it's just like some more chop, chop, chop. Anytime, aim for the head. Keep asking them, brother. If you're asking it, there's probably some others that are wondering the same thing and just don't think to ask it, or just maybe don't want to. But love questions. Love seeing people learning. I'm still in the same boat. I'm always trying to learn more. The more you know. You never know when you're gonna find, even if you feel like you know everything, you never know when you're gonna find like extra little bit of juice. Even if you're just getting 1% better, it's improvement, and you keep building it. Absolutely, just keep it rolling, brother. Let's juice up. Shout outs to the entire team. What a great week. Thanks for joining me yesterday, Houston and Cage. Thanks to our stream sponsor, CoinWise, !CoinWise, and coinwise.com/dashboard. Thanks to all the juicy exchanges. Make sure you check them out, especially BitBase right now, but several of them, we were shouting them out earlier. I think BTCC still has deposit bonuses and lots of tickers on TRADFI. KCEX. What's the other one? What was that other one that's like super juicy? Well, I know BitBase has a huge deposit bonus, so check them out. And BLOFIN is juice. They're all juice though. They all have their different pluses and minuses. But BitBase big giveaways coming next week. Get hyped! It was a great week though. Shout outs to the team. Shout outs to all the mods and admins. Buzz, love you. Houston, Cage, Cyper, Chauncey, Coin Nerd, Tiggy, MGK, Ready, Gypsy. Huge thank you to Kimba as always. Big shout outs to Heyblade. Let's go. Have a great weekend with your family and everyone else. Bergie, enjoy. World Cup enjoyers, let's get some. Enjoy it. Did anybody travel to US for the Cup? Or to Mexico or Canada? I should have asked it earlier. Let's go, Salash. Have a great weekend. Rana, Shishibui. Shout outs to all the supporters. Huge shout outs to Biffum, Calling Noob, Rajalicious, Doobie, Have a great weekend, y'all. MEXC83, let's go. Shout outs MEXC83. Much love. Bangstar. Yeah, get into PSG. I know they're vibing. Always. Always. Shaloob. Yeah, come with questions. Gaboo. Curvies. Hannah Montana. Aim for the head. Orips. Let me put you on Home Depot. Let's go. Exclamation Discord. I'm not crying, you crying. He reaving. Yeah, grab that single print on CME. The first one. Now let's see what happens with the second one. All right, y'all. Have a great day. Great weekend. Happy Father's Day. Happy Juneteenth to all of you. Enjoy it. You know, this is what we celebrate. Much love, y'all. Hey, cheers. Crypto Jamies, I know you want to see the professor full screen. The professor twerking full screen. I don't know if I'm going to do it today. All right, y'all. Have a great one. Check out the Discord. And exclamation coin-wise, let's go. Thanks, AIM. Cheers, brother. Happy Father's Day to everybody. If you're not a father, then hopefully your father is there with you. If not, then, you know, make sure that you think about him. Either way. All right, much love, y'all. Peace out. I'll see y'all soon. I can't wait for Monday. Can't wait for Monday. Yeah. 2 letters, 1 word. Crispy. PSG. Yeah. Later, gang.
Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Coin wise, salmon and salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of sunken? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions per air when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobaledo in any market condition. Coin wise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Pre-market off of the Lions is ready. Coin wise family and seminar we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels.